I'm studying third year mechanical engineering in National College of Engineering, Technical Campus located at Kinnathikadavu, Coimbatore. I want to explore the development of manufacturing products by using of CNC machining in mechanical oriented industries. CNC technology have been significant, particularly in terms of precision, speed and automation. Key developments include improved software for programming and simulation, enhanced maintenance accuracy through better sensor and control, and the integration of AI and machine learning for predictive maintenance and optimization. Additionally, advancement in multi-axis machining, additive manufacturing, and the incorporation of Internet of Things for real-time monitoring and control have revolutionized CNC capabilities. Real-time tasking in CNC refers to the ability of the system to process tasks and commands of ability with minimal latency, ensuring precise control and responsiveness during machining operation. This involves efficient communication between the CNC controller, sensor, actuator and the machining tool itself. Advancement in real-time tasking include faster processing speed, optimized motional planning algorithm and improved feedback mechanism for adaptive control, allowing CNC machining to achieve higher accuracy, productivity and flexibility in a variety of manufacturing environments. Comparing CNC technology with conventional lathe machine offers several advantages. They are increased precision, enhanced efficiency, complex part production, reduced scrap and rework, flexibility, operator safety, data analogy. By combining the advantages of CNC technology with the versatility and familiarity of conventional lathe machines, manufacturers can achieve higher level of productivity, accuracy and flexibility in their machining operation.